Hi Taurus, this is your channel messages for the 3rd to the 7th of January, Taurus the Empress. Now there's a lot of bitches jealous, Taurus. You have to understand that. Beauty comes with competition. Beauty also comes with pain. Now some bitches think that beauty comes with pain, which means them have to sit down at a hair salon, get them hair braided, pull out them edges, put Botox in them lip, put all type of esthetician surgery, BBL, all of these shit, you know. So people will do all of that thinking we have to go under pain because we want to look beautiful, but they're quick to reject, criticize, or pinpoint out the imperfections in somebody who is natural. Now I should say, Taurus, while 2026 is a year of the one, it's about not only putting yourself first, but realizing there is no competition. It's also realizing that if somebody really want to compete with you, them have to be a one, them have to be a single working unit. Your hair can't look good, but you have liver problem. You can't say you're successful in a business, but you don't have edges. I'm just saying. So Taurus, I just feel like a lot of jealousy, bullying, targeting. I'm getting people is trying to put pressure on you all because you're beautiful. I'm getting this is your year you're going to come up. I'm getting you're going to come up a lot this year. And I'm getting you may work around a lot of man. I'm getting them girlfriends hate you. Their girlfriends want to be like you. And if not, I'm getting their girlfriends are trying to make your life a living hell. Now speaking of you and your girlfriends, hi women, hi to all the beautiful supportive women that has been here on my channel, and hello to the bitches who keep watching me just to copy my shit. Anyway, since you want to copy me, let's go ahead and do some motherfucking copying. Taurus, I have the paperwork. So I just want to say, Taurus, if somebody wants to criticize your size or your weight or your breast size or your hair, tell them for criticize the inside of them pussy. Yes, Taurus. So me say my pussy real good, so me have a hype, and any man will get me at the money type. My love for cream pan cocky, that are my style. Never feel a cocky. Check my file. You want to check my file? You're going to check my cocky file. So instead of women talking about lashes and nails and hair, why don't you go and do yeah, because you know, it's 2026, you know, a lot of people were out and about doing hair, doing makeup, doing nails. They were spending time with their loved ones, you know, having sex, maybe cheating on people, maybe ignoring people. We don't know. But while everybody was focused on that for 2026, I was focused on the health of my vagina. Yes, my reproductive organ. So tell a bitch, a whore, a slut, or a bitch who would never get a ring, that if she wants to compete with you, she needs to compete with the liquids that's in your pussy. Yes, I have the STDs test results here. I do. We have tested for 7 different STDs, and I have the results and paperwork right here. Let me share it with you, Taurus. So let's start it off first. So the first thing we're going to do, because we have to block out certain type of information, you know what I'm happening, Taurus. So here's the first thing we're going to tell a big pussy bitch, who I would you the type of bitch that I never want to be like. Let's do the first thing. We have to hide some information out. This reading is going to be long, as it motherfucking should. Okay. So I want everybody to see the date. So the date does say here, okay, the date, it has been in December. Yes. So let's go. Hepatitis C, non-reactive. So I don't have hep, thankfully. What else? Hepatitis B, non-reactive. So I don't have hep. Let's go again. Let's see what else we can look up here. HIV, AIDS, non-reactive. What else? Syphilis, antibodies, non-reactive. let's go about is there a gun in the building? Oh my God. Okay, let's go again. Hepatitis B. Non-reactive. Hepatitis C. Non-reactive. Let's go again. So we're just confirming, we're wrapping up every single thing. You know, HIV, syphilis is really important. What else? Yeah. So I just want to tell a dirty pussy bitch or a nasty cocky man, you want come for me, you want come for my looks, you want come for my success, bitch. You gotta know that I ain't never been intimidated by a nigga or a bitch before, no matter your blood clot, race or skin color. So tell that slut who already fuck and got a kid without a ring to go do our STD testing. Okay, so just to wrap everything up, people. So hepatitis B and C, don't have that. What else? What the fuck else? HIV. You know, that's important for people to know their HIV status. Non-reactive, I don't have that. Syphilis, no, I don't have that either. Yeah, so I just want bitches to know. Oh, there's actually one more I wanted to show you. Let me tell you which one I want to show you. Let's go again. Oh my God, because you know we have to show the bitches that you need to clean your blood clot eyelashes. You need to clean that blood clot. You need to clean your pussy before you try to clean up girls from trying to follow them blood clot dreams. Here we go again. Somebody has a gun. Yeah, gonorrhea. So gonorrhea, non-reactive. Don't have gonorrhea. You bitches sharing following. You bitches sharing makeup tutorials. You bitches sharing relationship. Why not share your blood clot pussy status? Slut. Let's go again. So gonorrhea, negative. Chlamydia. I'm sure everybody heard the chlamydia story. Oh my God. I'm not a man who couldn't get my pussy because them think them could have dogged me and would have come back to them like a sorry bitch. Or rumors that were spread by a bitch who man claim that them like them but them keep fucking on them. Let's go to the chlamydia test, shall we? Chlamydia. No, don't have chlamydia. Let's go down to trichomosis, because you know these niggas are tricks, right? Claim say you give them STD. Claim say you're walking blood clot germ. Claim say that they're monogamous and them fucking girl without condom and them dick smell like fish. Or them starting rumors that your pussy smell bad. So let's go to trichomosis. The trick, the worm. This is not Miss Medical Advice YouTube. Everybody know that trichomosis is the STD worm. Let's test for that. So trichomosis, nope, none detected, nothing detected. Chlamydia, nothing detected. Wow. Let's see what else we can get. Hepatitis, you know, because these bitches looks like hippos. So let's hepatite it. These bitches eating food like they're motherfucking hippos. Hepatitis, negative. Negative on heps. Negative on hep. Negative. There's no hep. Nothing like that. Never had hep. Is there anything else I need to show you, dirty pussy bitches who so jealous of me and your man keep blood clot watching me? And you know, caniston is a very big part of the women's health. I don't even have blood clot yeast infection, slut. Genital smear. Wait there, zoom baby. Genital smear. I don't even have a fucking yeast infection, slut. No yeast cells, whore. So remember, man, when you're a dirty pussy bitch, you want to convince you say a girl is a blood clot 8 when she really a 10. Tell her to go check her blood clot pussy status before she inject her lip, put on that blood clot wig, or do her caterpillar blood clot eyelashes. A bitch can never blood clot compete with me. But the 33 degrees of blood clot masonry today. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. Since the bitches want to compare height and beauty and body, tell the blood clot bitches them for compare them pussy blood clot results. So the man them can know the dirty blood clot garbage pussy You bitches are trying to hide with blood clot hair, makeup, nails, and injected blood clot Botox lips. You bitches could never. So as a blood clot result of this, me sing my song. Me underneath clean, so me a open out, and a boy can't talk, say me. See them skin it out, no say, nah, come up on it. Me dog cut up. My fire clean like under me, and a boy never arc on me. Plus, me and my 4 friends them apart normally, and a boy can't say him fuck all the way. If your friend a fuck your blood clot man, she's a hoe, that's not your friend. You can't blood clot par with girl and them a look by your blood clot man. Me and my 4 friends them apart normally, and no boy can't say him fuck all the way. The fuck you deal with? Taurus. So I want to share my status with you, so the bitches can know them blood clot status, which is below me, underneath my blood clot foot. That's where the fuck you are, sluts, whores. And to all the women who did unfortunately trust a nasty man, and he gave you something and you knew you were faithful and you knew you were in the right, do not fear not. If you do have something, it never mean because you're dirty. It never mean because you are hoeing. You trust one wrong man. The same way you trust one wrong man when you had sex and got pregnant. And before some of you bitches try to come for my motherfucking body size and weight, you should check your blood clot STD testing before you bitches decide to carry a baby. That baby has syphilis, slut. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Taurus. So tell a dirty pussy man who can't get my blood clot pussy, who will start room up on my blood clot pussy, tell him for sharing blood clot status. Tell him to ask himself why his dick smell like blood clot fish. I don't even have a yeast infection. Whore. Let's go. Cause you is a motherfucking empress. They want to act like because you not buy clothes from certain places, because you not fuck certain man, because you not have this. You is not less than that blood clot results test. Do it, ho. Do it. Not every blood clot man know my blood clot status. Anytime I want blood clot fuck, it is a blessing for me. Go suck on a mother. Let's go. First card out, the 2 of Cups. Exactly, that's the relationship. The 2 of Cups. Yeah, it's all about relationships. Since you don't want to talk about, yeah, why would you be with someone with that skin color? Her hair, her nails, her weight. Talk about your blood clot status. Why your lip them full up of blood clot warts? Ho? Why your pussy smell that way? Why every blood clot month you go pharmacy go buy blood clot canistin, even though your hair, nails and blood clot lips are done? Slut, you can never blood clot compete with me. Know that. Whore. And you never ever had a ring, which makes it even blood clot worse. The 2 of Cups, that's our relationship. When you enter good relationships, usually everybody know them status. Not only sexual HIV status. What you do? You fucking other people or you monogamous? You have to know the status. If you don't know the status of your boss them, know the status of your blood clot family, know what status they are on and what status them don't want you to be on. This is all about status in 2026. It's about one. Status, not you and a blood clot best friend, not you and your father, not you and your brother, not you and your blood clot sister. It's one. So everything that has been before you, that is history. It has started with you now. So yeah, you couples, instead of kissing in public and holding hands, you should see what the fuck you guys have. Because half of y'all couples are fucking the same other couples. The 2 of Cups, that's a relationship. First card out is the Ace of Cups. We have 2 of Cups, Ace of Cups. Somebody's in love. Yeah, love. Yeah, 7 of Pentacles. This is all about love. So how love look like to you? Love look like a person who look pretty and act pretty, or love look like somebody who healthy? There's nothing they can tell the Empress about love. She loves herself so much. She makes sure she's the healthiest person before she even merge with somebody else. Someone is sick, when have liver pain, when have back pain, when have knee pain, and then you want to be with somebody and blame them for every blood clotting. How did my back pain become your fucking problem? How did you dying soon become my fucking problem? Not the Empress's problem. The Ace of Cups. Me getting someone's in love. We have a Six of Cups. Me getting something about an apology. Maybe somebody's apologized for infecting you with a STD. Maybe they're apologizing for telling you whole blood clot French school and the whole of blood clot Quebec mixed with Jamaica, so you have blood clot STDs and you had nothing. And you never cleared your side of the story. So now somebody want to get an apology. I'm sorry for telling people you had AIDS. I'm sorry for telling people you have hepatitis. I'm sorry for telling people you gave me chlamydia. I'm sorry your mother never blood clot or birth you. Yeah, we have the Three of Cups. Yeah, it's a group of bitches. Group of dumb ass bitches, the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, bitches. Yeah. Because I know the shit I talk on my channel, it make you and your man them in an argument. Argumentative. See, I am single. So whatever I say might block me from a future man. You in a relationship. Your man wants to leave you. Yeah. So instead of you talking about bitches can't even give men half of these men DNA. You not give them your blood clot STD results. YouTube know mine. Yeah, cause I'm that bitch. Mind, body and blood clot. So I've always been that bitch. And no guy or woman can ever make me feel otherwise. Know that hoe. So you need to go ahead and go do your motherfucking testing, slut. Group of bitches. Group of dumb ass jealous bitches who fucking jealous and envious of you, and their man can't stop watching you. Can't stop. These bitches changing hair color, makeup, eyelashes, and the man them still a look on you as they motherfucking should. We have the Knight of Swords. Me getting like a lot of people want to talk to you. Me getting all of a sudden everybody in love with you. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, cause me getting a group of women, a group of women. Maybe them a spread bare rumors on you, something about lying. But the Two of Cups, this could be lesbianism. The girl them lesbian, a lot of lesbian woman, but you only have sex with men. So tell these white bitches, these Asian bitches, these Indian bitches who want to come for you, or even come for me here on my YouTube channel. Tell them to go test the blood clot inside of them pussy. You want to test about hair length. You want to test about eyelashes and makeup. Girl, you smell rotten. You smell like rotten flesh. You smell like a dead rat on your cycle. That's how the fuck you smell. Me have to ignore you like me no blood clot smell none. You smell like a dead rat. That's how you see your blood smell. Like a dead rat. You smell rotten. You smell like inside of your raw. So why don't you go test your pussy before you try to test my temperature? We have a justice card. Yeah, that's justice. You want proof? So the blood clot proof here. Where your proof there? Oh, your proof is your man who full up a blood clot gonorrhea. Your proof is your man who full up a blood clot AIDS. That's your fucking proof, bitch. Slut. Hoe. I don't give a fuck, bitch. This is 2026. The fuck you thought this was? I've been waiting at you at the door. Let's get one more. The Knight of Cups, yeah. Me getting the whole of the man them I ask the girl them if you can go get tested. And I don't know what the bitches are saying. Because half of these bitches will never pass that test. See, you went to college. You may have passed a test in college. You'll never pass a blood clot pussy test. Me say my pussy real good, so me happy hype. And any man will get me at the money type. My love for creep and cocky, that's my style. Me never feel a cocky, check my file if you think I lie. So if you hear no blood clot lie on me, my pussy juices was so lubricated, the man them are mad cause they can't get it back. That's how clean pussy feel. Your girlfriend pussy dirty, that's why you keep fucking on her. Let's get some of these and leave it here. Whores, sluts, these bitches could never. You could never, you really thought you could compete with me? You really thought that? That is so funny. Whore. Bitch, my pussy clean. I'm already married at 24. Sweetie, I'm retired. You should know that. You still in the motherfucking race for that man who there with you for 8 to 10 years and you can't get a blood clot ring. Sweetie, I am not the 2 or the 3. I'm the motherfucking 1. Ho. Yeah, religion. Yeah, tell these Christians to go get a fucking SED testing. They want to throw the Bible at you. Go, yeah, your pussy coming like Bible. When it open up, me see heaven. Yeah. Yes, Addy. Yes, Addy. Yes, Vibes Cartel. Me never afraid of the AIDS test. Yes, Addy. My pussy coming like Bible. When it open up, him see heaven. Right? Me put on the best, my angel. Loving you like Rachel. Wait there. Your pussy coming like Bible. A parable, no, some great text. From your born till now, that stay blessed. Never afraid of the AIDS test. You have the ever blessed good. I gotta go with me, and I'm in love with me. Like, whoa, the ever blessed good. Gotta go with me, and I'm in love with me. Like, yo, wine baby. Even though you know me no wanna baby. If it is a girl, you may wine take it. Squeeze up a body, what a birthday give. Miss a piece of heaven when the legs they lift. Man, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here, ho. Go suck your mother. Suck your mother. So go tell the blood clot Christian them who go church. Tell the blood clot girl or the man who use the religion book against you. Tell her to go test the inside of our pussy. I bet you it full up of yeast. Full up of blood clot yeast like bread. Bitch, you is a bird bitch. You is a bird bitch. That's what the fuck you are. That's why you stalk from over blood clot head. That's why you know when somebody exit them blood clot house or them go down the road, you is a bird bitch. You is a bread eating bitch. Your pussy full up a yeast infection. Go and test it. Me don't even have a blood clot yeast infection. Go suck your mother, slut. Full up a blood clot yeast like bread. Yeah, MK Ultra. Whore. You think you can make anybody feel insecure about blood clot anything? House, car, clothes, money. Go test your pussy. Go test your health. Go see why your back hurt you. Go and see why the inside of you feels so bad. Go and see why you smell like a dead rat when you bleed. Go and test that, slut. Your blood smell like it have AIDS. We have Sagittarius. Your blood smell like it have blood clot AIDS. That's why your pussy stink on your period. Whore. YouTube, I'm asking you, please don't ban me. YouTube, by expressing myself, means 33 to this blood clot here. Baphomet is talking. Baphomet, yeah, duality, half human, half animal. They want to throw the book at, what is your religion? What's your STD status? Tell me blood clot that and I'll tell you what I believe in. But you know what you can believe in? My blood clot. See, know that. Bitch, I not had kids for a reason. Bitch, you have kids. You can't blood clot pass a yeast infection test. Slut. So before you wanna come for me and talk about my looks and talk about why, where, or when I'm gonna start following the crowd, just know, slut, I chose the left-hand path, not the blood clot right. The same right that you will not be going when you see your testing. Your man probably blood clot left you the way how I'm gonna frighten the blood clot test results. Half of these bitches are cheating. Half of these guys are cheating. And that's why in the end, the single people are winning. Enough to worry about these nasty blood clots, STDs and worms when you're dealing with cheating people. So just know that if a bitch ever wants to make you feel insecure and to make you feel like she's doing better than you, just know that that bitch is not. She's in hell. Hell like that burning UTI. I'm gonna leave it here, Taurus. Until next time. Bye.